guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Patty, and on Mondays I make gnomes, and on Thursdays I do budget-friendly home decor. A lot of you have been watching my one sock gnome video from a couple years ago, but you are having a hard time finding the sock. So today I'm bringing you a new one that I made, and these socks right now are available at Target.com, and they're probably in your store as well. I'm using a new technique in this one. I'm not using any beads or any rice. It's a little bit different. If you want how to make them, stick around. I'll show you how. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.
Okay, you need some faux fur, some stuffing, a couple of nuts, 4 of them, some rubber bands, a ribbon, a nose, some string, a sock, a couple pipe cleaners, some cardboard, and some felt. Okay, I'm going to set my compass to 1 1/4 because I want a 2.5 inch circle. And then I'm just going to cut that right out of the cardboard. Okay, next we're going to take 4 5/16 inch nuts, and we're just going to attach them in 4 different places on the bottom of this cardboard. Then we're going to go ahead and take our sock, and we're going to cut straight across the heel, all the way across, and then we're going to cut this side straight. Okay, next we're going to take our felt, and we are going to start at the edge, and we're just going to roll our piece of cardboard along the bottom edge of this. Just go all the way around it until it seals up. And then we're going to go ahead and glue the front. Now this lets you be able to control how much stuffing goes into your gnome. Next we're going to take our sock, and we're just going to put it onto the bottom, pull it up until it is completely straight. And then we're going to start adding polyfill all the way till you get to the top ledge of that felt. Okay, next we're just going to take a rubber band, and we are going to tie that around the top part here. Just make sure that you get the felt inside that rubber band as well. So go down far enough to get that felt put in there as well. And then we're going to tie this off, and don't skip this step because these rubber bands will break if you don't tie these off. Eventually they will get weak and they will break. Okay, and then go ahead and cut off the top, leaving about a 1/2 inch at the top. Then we're going to take 2 pipe cleaners, and we're going to fold them in 4s. And that's what's going to go down into the center of our gnome right here to hold our hat up. So just push it right in there, put a little bit more glue in there, and just squeeze it all together. Next, we're going to take our hat. We're going to turn it right side out or inside out. And we are going to go on the raw edge and tie a rubber band around the top part of it. And then we are going to also tie a string around it just to make sure it stays together. Okay, next we're going to turn it right side out, and we are going to stick it over the top part of our pipe cleaner and have some filling ready because we are going to go ahead and stuff the hat, but we're going to wait till we get it onto the pipe cleaner. Pull it on down, get the pipe cleaner centered, and then we're just going to make a little ball at the top, kind of like a little pom-pom at the top. Okay, next we're going to set that aside. We're going to go ahead and cut the beard. Start with an even edge, and then we're going to cut the beard at 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So 2.5 inches wide by 2.5 inches in length. And I'm just going to do a little mark on here, and then I'm going to turn it over, and I'm just going to make a U shape so I have a guide to go around to the opposite side. And then if you just cut behind the faux fur only, and I know y'all have heard me say this before, just cut behind it, don't cut through it. And then go ahead and clean any excess fur off. Okay, next I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to my body. I'm just coming right down where the bend bends. Just kind of figure out a spot that has a pretty back on it. So when the gnome is backwards, it still has a pretty design on it. And then go ahead and glue the beard down. Then we're going to go ahead and pull the hat down, and then I'm going to start stuffing it with a little bit of stuffing just to kind of fill it up. And I'm going to start in the back on one side, and then the back on the other side, and then just kind of, wiggle it around in your hand until it kind of gets even. Just kind of shape it there a little bit, kind of pull it apart, and then just kind of roll it in your hand just to kind of get a little bit even. Okay, next I'm going to pull the back down pretty far, and I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. And then I'm going to start gluing the sides down. Don't glue the front down yet because we still got to add the nose. And then I'm just going to pull the front back just a little bit, and I'm just using a 15mm half bead right in the center. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the top part of the nose and attach the hat to that. Okay, then I'm just going to take a ribbon and I'm going to tie around the top part, and I'm just going to tie it in a bow. And you can add more decorations to these if you want to. I mean, you can do a lot of different things with this one pattern. Okay, and that's what it looks like, but I decided to go back in and add a little bit of fur around the top. And I'm just coming in about a 12-inch piece of fur, and this is a yarn, and I'll give you the link for that below. Just wrap it around, find your center point, and then just glue that in the front. Start in the front on your gluing. And just kind of make sure that you get real close to the bottom of that sock so that it does cover up that sock. And then let me know in the comments which one you prefer, with the fur or without the fur. I'd love to hear your opinion. I just think it made it a little bit more festive for the holidays. All right, that was pretty easy. If you like these kind of videos, hit like. If you want to see future videos, hit subscribe. If you want to be notified when I have another video, hit the bell. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you make plenty.